Do you know very recently, Meta, last couple of months before, Meta CEO. Who is the Meta CEO? Meta. Facebook, man. Who is the
Mark
OG
Lucas.
Facebook?
Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg. They identified one resource for AI area, Matt. Matt. His name is the Matt. They offer $125 million package. $125 million package they offered for that person. Then automatically that person, sorry, I don't want to join. I don't want to join. Then immediately, Zuckerberg came into the picture. Zuckerberg offered, if we double the package, is it okay for you? Simple statement, man. If we double the package, are going to work with us. $250 million. $250 million for 4 years package. Yes, I will work. Observe the point here. Double the package. If we double the package, are you okay? Then automatically, yes, I'm okay if you are going to double the package. Observe the right candidate, how much important. Okay, money is not that much important. Right candidate is the very important. In the Meta, this recruitment happened. How many people aware, right? Almost around, just in the 4 years, 2,500 crores is the package. 2,500 crores is the package. In the first year only, is going to get 750 crores around. This recruitment was happened a couple of months before. You were right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You told in last 10 days back.
Last
But
sessions also I told.
they compensated with 8,000 layoffs, sir.
Obviously. Mahesh, I told right. Just now I told one point. Have you remember?
Yeah.
కొంచెం పాలిచ్చే 4 గేదెలను పెంచుకోవటం కంటే ఎక్కువ పాలిచ్చే ఒక గేదెని పెంచుకోవటమే మంచిది. దట్ ఈస్ ద బిజినెస్ స్ట్రాటజీ. దట్ ఈస్ ద పవర్.
Yeah.
That is the power. That person is the replacement because he the replacement for 400 employees or 450 employees, 4,000 employees. So maintaining 4,000 employees, maintaining one employee, which is the easy for the organization.
Yeah, one is easy.
Take care of 4,000 employees, take care of only one person, which is the easy. Take care of only one person. Obviously.
1%.
1%. That's why companies are always going to choose.